concentration is very low. Yesterday night, I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep until like 5 a.m. Like we were up till 5 a.m. guys, till 5 a.m. So I'm just feeling, Zion, I'm feeling out of it, like, I feel out of it. So I couldn't cook dinner. No, my mother. I couldn't cook dinner, eh? I couldn't cook dinner. Oh my god, my mirror is in front of me, so that's what I'm looking at. I couldn't cook dinner. So we're going to Mega Chicken now. We're going to Mega Chicken now to get dinner. How is your week going, guys? Just wanted to check it. Tomorrow I'm going to be bulk cooking, so I'm going to go to the market. I think I should have gotten myself by then. Yeah, so guys, welcome to the vlog. Oh, Chimo. This air has potential, but let me not even see anything. Anyways, we go rock calm like that. What do you guys think? Sure, okay. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to actually throw the hair away, but yeah. Zion, do you like mommy's hair?
Yes.
You say yes, kilo more. Is this your bad? I say, something up left for. Guys, I think about the most random thing, like the most randomest things. He's telling me to shh. Oh, bad, yeah. Am I your mate? Am I your mate? At this point, we're still thinking, okay, we're going for a birthday party. She's 80 years old, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna have some fun, I'm gonna eat. By the way, I didn't eat. See, Anna, I don't do makeup, I don't already. Only for us to get there, and then the woman was like, oh, she must have mistakenly sent the code because it's an estate, so she must have mistakenly sent the code to us. And so yeah, so we got there and we met them setting up everywhere. Mind you, today, I think this is Saturday. Yes, is it Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. So the party was meant for Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Yes, that's true. Sunday. So when we got there, it was just a funny thing because I had
bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, live yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 When you go win, mommy. Question.
Hey guys, so we are at the first party now and we're about to go in, so come.
I'm doing it big. My language like big Spanglish, I'll educate you how to do this shit. Temporary, that's temporary, unnecessary, I am that bitch. You can't twist it, it's how they go on. He said he like that, he's so groovy, call me daddy. He goes groovy, he goes baby, it's my groovy, call me baby. He can never live without me, I'm so real, I love with every day.
We so deep, hurt dog. That must be
Make it awesome like I do, make it awesome like I do, make it awesome like I do, make it awesome like you do. Also the pretty, you don't let me tweet, you don't let me, I can teach you how to
I see you.
As they can't see, I had to on the light. My people. Oh, see the time that party of 2 p.m. I told this man, let's go. He said no, they won't have started. No, they won't have started. No, they won't have started.
But babe, it's a party of old people. People are old. Somebody's celebrating is 85.
We never even see food. Okay, we
80?
stopped. Like they had to like
80-year-old birthday. What the fuck are you saying, nigga?
You know that you are. This is China. We don't condone languages like that.
Forgive me. I'm so sorry about it.
Anyways, we're on to the next party, party 2, and we are going early this time. I beg. I know fit. Anyways, see you guys. Mwah!
we so deep, hurt dog. That must be
Anyways, we are back home and we're about to sleep because tomorrow is a work day, school day, and yeah. Is this the end of the vlog? No. My makeup is good. Anyway, see you guys later. Mwah.